Good morning, boys and girls. I hope y'all had a good morning or having a good morning. And I will see you soon for Zoom this morning. If I don't, that is okay. I hope you have a good day, and I hope to see you this evening. So let's get started on our phonics lesson this morning. This morning, we will be learning about prefixes. All right, so let's get started. So a prefix goes before a word because the word pre in prefix means before. So you know that it's going to go before a word. It's like so this morning we're going to learn about the prefix un. And remember we box our suffix or not our suffix, sorry, we box our prefix just like our suffix because it shows us that it's apart from the word. We can take it off and the word is still there. There's still a word. So prefix un means not or the opposite of. So let's look at our first word, like unhappy. Well, if I take off the prefix un, we have the word happy. So when we put the prefix un on happy, it means not happy. Unhappy, you're not happy anymore. And how do we code this? We code our prefix with the box to show us that it's added to the word. We're adding a cluster of letters to a word. And it's so our second word, unfold. Now, if we take off our un prefix, it would just be the word fold. Well, fold, look over here at this picture over here of the towels. It's nicely folded in a stack. You probably have seen your mom or dad or do it at home. And so the opposite of fold is to take the towel apart or unfold it. Look at like the picture that you see at the bottom, the blue towel with the little arrow. We have unfolded the towels. So to unfold is the opposite to fold. And what do we do with our prefix un? We box it to show that it's added to the word fold. You can also fold paper and unfold paper. All right, then let's look at our third word, unzip. So unzip, like over here in this picture of a jacket. The opposite of unzip is to zip it up, to close your jacket so that you're nice and warm on a cold, chilly day. And so unzip means that you're opening your jacket. So what do we do with our prefix? We box it. Box our un prefix so we know it's added to the word. I can take off the prefix and I still have a word, zip. So adding our prefix un just makes it the opposite. I'm unzipping my jacket to take it off. I'm opening my jacket. All right, our last word has a prefix and a suffix. And sometimes you're going to have words that do that, boys and girls. So let's look at our word, unhelpful. So our suffix, do you see it, is full. And remember that full means full of. So if I just had helpful, I would be full of help. I help so many times. I am so willing to help. I have a willing heart to help my mom and my dad. But if we are unhelpful, like our suffix un in front of helpful, that means you're not helpful. You're not full of help. Now that's a lot to say I'm not a full of help, so we just put those together and say unhelpful. All right, so what do we mean? We need to box our prefix because we know that un is just added to the word help. And we also need to box our suffix full because that is also a group of letters added to the word help. So we have unhelpful. It means I am you are not full of help, but we know. Now I know. Okay, so let's review. A prefix goes before a word. So when we review and you see a card that has our prefix "un" with a box, we're going to say prefix "un," and it means not or the opposite of. So, and we need to box our prefix to remind us that it's added to a word. If I take it off, there's still a word there. Okay? Okay, boys and girls, so that is all for our phonics lesson. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I hope to see you all in Zoom or on Zoom, and if not, that is okay. I will keep working hard. I'm so proud of all of you, and I miss you very much. I will see you later.